Well, today we're going to go a little bit off the beaten path again. I really wanted to go on this trip. I saw this road a couple weeks ago.
Musim gugur di Asia.
And I really wanted to go there today. Last night we had a storm from hell and it dropped a lot of water, and I'm going, oh man, that road's going to be really muddy. Hello. Well, here we go. Wish me luck. Well, like I had mentioned, I was really concerned about how muddy this road was going to get. Because like last time I went out, day after it rained, I was west of here, but it was a different kind of. I mean, it was flat, but it wasn't so sandy. It was more like the clay. You know, it was like 3.5 inches of snotty clay yuck everywhere, man. And this is not too bad. It's nice and sandy, so it drained real fast. Although there are some muddy spots there, and along this road, there's also little mini roads that you just follow them. I guess, I don't know. Yeah, I know what some of you are saying. Why not just have fun and go right through the puddles and all that? And trust me, I would love to. But a couple of things. If I was on my Polaris Explorer 400, yeah, I'd be going right through those. I'd be splashing it all over the place. But another thing is this motorbike I'm using has like 80,000 kilometers. That's like right around 50,000 miles on it. And the suspension is not all that great. And the more it bounces, the more my back hurts. So yeah, I'm gonna whine about it. No, this is a great ride. I'm having a lot of fun. It wasn't too hot. It was pretty cool out. Yeah, see, I would have splashed this like crazy, but I just don't know what's going on. And that front end is really tight on the suspension, and it really racks you up. Even on the graded roads with that suspension, you know, it looks on the video here that it's really nice and level, and you know, not too much bumping action. But my camera, my DJI Pocket 2, has got a really good stabilizer on it, and it makes it really nice and smooth. And hey, here we are. Okay, the crossroads. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at this one. Well, we're at the crossroads, and this place is absolutely beautiful. I really don't know why I didn't stop underneath the tree, other than I wanted to stop right here on the crossroads. All right, let's see if this. Oh, here we are back on the move again, and I'll talk about a couple of things here, mostly about driving, I think. First of all, you got to understand, kids on the bike, they own everything in the world. They will not get out of your way. I think you might have seen that in some of my previous videos. So you really got to watch out for the kiddos too, you know. Oh, this kid coming up here. He wanted to run me over. But anyways, this is a nice area here. It's the village. It goes for, I don't know, 4 or 5 kilometers. It's really nice. But now, let me talk about some rules of the road here. There's two, seriously now, there's 2 rules of the road. Number 1 rule, you don't have right of way. And number 2 rule is nobody has the right of way. And I'm not just trying to make a joke, although it does sound funny. It is the truth. It really is. There's like 100 different variables on who gets to go first or whatever. But I do have to say that you know, the drivers here are very considerate, and of course, you know, bicycles usually, you know, you really got to watch out for them. And I mean, in intersections, even if you're taking a left-hand turn, you know, somebody that's coming straight at you will slow down and just, you know, weave. There's a lot of weaving when you're in a lot of traffic, and you just gotta be ready for, or can't be afraid of anything, you know. I mean, like
Beep,
when
beep.
when you go down the road and they're driving the opposite direction up along the, you know, by the curb, they're not going to crash into you. You know, you just gotta. I won't have to show you on another video. So if you want, let me know. I'll make some more like this. I turned my camera so you can see some of the houses and stuff, but unfortunately I didn't turn it far enough. I'll keep that in mind for the future. I need to turn it a whole 90 degrees, I guess. But no, if you like these off the beaten path walkie-talkies, please let me know. I enjoy making them. I enjoy going out driving. Leave me a comment below if you would like to hear and see some more of the beautiful Cambodian countryside. And this is not the crossroads. This is a T-bone. This is where we get a little bit better of a road. You can open it up a little more and it doesn't kill me. But yeah, those are the rules of the road. Basically, there really is none. Oh, more kids. Oh, look out, look out. Oh, yeah, and I was going to say, yeah, it doesn't matter if they're the boys or the girls, they own the road. Oh, yeah, but you gotta love them there. There's a lot of them. And lots of times you'll see, like when they got two on a bike, that the smaller kid is doing all the pedaling. I think that's hilarious. But yeah, big brother, big sister says, drive me to work, drive me to school. Yeah, it's a really nice country out here. I enjoy these trips, and I'm really glad it wasn't very muddy. Here we got a little market there. I wished I had my camera. I want to be doing that more. Go down the road on my motorbike and have the camera just straight off to my left or the right, so you can instead of just seeing the road and the countryside, you get to see more of the what I get to see, more of the neighborhoods and the houses and all that great stuff. So anyways, if you're still here, you are one of my greatest #1 fans. I'm glad that you are still with me. That means you like me. You actually like me. But anyways, everybody have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million.